Attorney General has filed an application at the Human Rights Division of the High Court in Accra, seeking to strike out Chief Justice Gertrude Sakitokunu's earlier application for judicial review, citing a serious misstatement of capacity and the failure to include essential parties, errors that render the process null and void. In the opinion of the AG, we will bring details of that writ shortly. But first, here is the embattled Chief Justice, Justice Gertrude Sakitoku, who revealed they have filed fresh processes at the High Court to thwart the committee's proceedings, and she spoke at a news conference a week ago.
It is this total absence of compliance with all known rules of fair hearing that has caused my lawyers to file applications for judicial review in the High Court to declare all the proceedings void. Because the clear danger is that through this flagrant violation of CI 47 and the darkness of the current proceedings being held in camera behind the walls of Edu Lodge, my lawyers and I can come to the end of the proceedings. The evidence will show that every one of those allegations in the petitions that were given to me on 27th March is unfounded and untrue.
Now, a member of our legal affairs desk, Kweku Asante, joins us with more details of the fresh processes filed by the AG. Kweku, if you can hear me, what can you report?
Noella, the details are that following the suspended Chief Justice's decision to file those processes at the High Court, couched in the manner of a judicial review and a human rights application, seeking to get the High Court to rule that the entire process that is currently underway by way of the Article 146 committee chaired by Justice Gabriel Poman, the Chief Justice contends that the process is shrouded in illegality. It breaches a fundamental human right as a person, and that is why she has filed that action at the High Court. Today, the Attorney General has responded, and under the hand of the Deputy Attorney General, Justice Serem Sai, and also by an affidavit deposed by a staff of the Attorney General's Department, the big contention they make is that the chunk of the Chief Justice's contentions have already been decided on by the Supreme Court in a number of cases, which have all already been dismissed, also in one that she filed personally. But also the CJ's contention are still pending before the Supreme Court. We know that the Chief Justice is currently before the Supreme Court, although the application she filed for injunction has been dismissed. The substantive application has not yet been dealt with. And the Attorney General's claim is that the suspended Chief Justice is simply repeating and rehashing these same claims that are currently before the court, part of which have been dismissed at the High Court. And the High Court, which is a lower court than the Supreme Court, cannot purport to actually hear this matter. And so the Attorney General has now filed an application seeking to dismiss the entirety of the case filed by suspended Chief Justice at the High Court.